Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw something every single day. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a flamingo. So please feel free to like and comment and subscribe and maybe even share this video with a friend. All of that would be awesome. Alright, so let's start drawing our flamingo. Flamingos have really long legs, so we are going to try to keep the flamingo body to the top half of the page, and then the lower half of the page is going to be the leg. Okay, so let's see, up here let's do an eye. So we can do a little circle, and I'm going to do a circle inside that and another circle in behind that one, and I can color that one in all dark. Next we can work on the shape of the head like that, and let's come on down a little bit for the beak. So this is looking a little bit silly right now, but it'll all come together in the end. Okay, so now we are going to go from the eye to right here and do that on the bottom too. And we are going to do a line like this and come on back. Okay, and I'm going to do a line right here and one coming down this way. So now we can do that great big curved neck. It's kind of like the shape of the letter S. And before I continue with the neck right here, I'm going to put in a few floofs, a few little bits of feathers. And now I'm going to continue with the neck shape. Okay, so now we're working on the main part of the body here. And we can bring that out along this way. So just lots of strokes along here to really help show the texture of the feathers. Lots of feathers. And right here we can come on down a little bit and come on up. Alright, so let's do a really long leg. And we're going to kind of have like two little bumps here. And then we can continue working on down. And then we've got a webbed foot. So I'm going to do two little pieces like that. And actually three little pieces. And now we can do a little spot in between them all. Now the flamingo's other foot is going to be kind of tucked in underneath them. So I got two lines coming from here, and we can do like a little bit of a buckle kind of thing here. That's going to be like this part, like that. And it's tucked in underneath them. So our two lines can come on this way. And we're going to do two little pieces like that and connect them with like the little webbing on the foot. And And there we go. We've got our flamingo drawn, and now I'm going to start adding some color. All right, everyone, we are finished our flamingo. I think he's nice and summery, a nice little doodle for summertime. So thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye.